Hello everyone. Today I'd like to present my 3D printed GoPro battery holder, stackable version. It fits standard GoPro batteries, original ones as well as aftermarket ones. As you can see, can insert the batteries like this. It's both the aftermarket and the genuine one. Now the design is such that I can stack multiple holders like this, so I could carry my battery packs in such a configuration, or I can also attach them like this or lengthwise configuration. What I can also do is I can stack several of them like this for a matrix arrangement, and of course you could go on and on and on with many more batteries, as much as you like. So these have a fairly tight fit here. They're designed that way so that they don't slide out. And that's pretty much all there is to it. I hope that you find this useful, and thanks for watching.